Story 5. A schoolboy was so perfectly beautiful and sweet-voiced that the teacher, in accordance with human nature, conceived such an affection towards him that he often recited the following verses: I am not so little occupied with thee, O heavenly face, that remembrance of myself occurs to my mind. From thy sight I am unable to withdraw my eyes, although when I am opposite I may see that an arrow comes. Once the boy said to him, as thou strivest to direct my studies, direct also my behavior. If thou perceivest anything reprovable in my conduct, although it may seem approvable to me, inform me thereof, that I may endeavor to change it. He replied, O boy, make that request to someone else, because the eyes with which I look upon thee behold nothing but virtues. The ill-wishing eye, be it torn out, sees only defects in his virtue. But if thou possessest one virtue and 70 faults, a friend sees nothing except that virtue. And certain people can relate that I have practiced something in the way of, yeah, regardless of what their faults were, I was their friend in good and truth, not the other stuff. And they understood that. And a couple people that I could have on, the point is not to expose them or anything, but the they would definitely say that at times I was like their best friend, because of such things, or perhaps it's not as much right and right and wrong, but some theological difference. Even though things weren't supported, it wasn't worth fighting over, some of the differences, right? Because that's not going to make somebody believe or not believe, or pray with you in the time, and if you feel like this is a time of day that everybody should be praying, but it's not something one believes is forced or anything.